Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to see who viewed your LinkedIn profile for free. This is a great way to track who's interested in your professional background and potentially connect with people in your industry. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to linkedin.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your email and password. This will take you to your LinkedIn home feed where you can see all your connections and updates. After you're logged in, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see your profile picture along with some basic information. Click directly on your profile section. This will take you to your full profile page where all your work experience, skills, and connections are displayed. Now that you're on your profile, scroll down a bit until you find a section called Analytics. This is where LinkedIn stores all your profile data and engagement metrics. The Analytics section gives you insights into how people are interacting with your profile and content. Inside the Analytics section, you'll see several options. Click on Profile Views. This is the specific feature that shows you exactly who's been checking out your profile. It's incredibly useful for networking and understanding your professional visibility on the platform. Once you click on Profile Views, you'll be taken to a page that displays the people who have viewed your profile for free. You can browse through this list to see who's been interested in your professional background, which can help you identify potential opportunities or connections. Now it's important to understand some limitations that come with a free LinkedIn account. With the free version, you'll only see limited recent viewers. This means you won't have access to a complete historical list of everyone who's ever viewed your profile. Additionally, some users will appear as anonymous LinkedIn member. This happens when people have their privacy settings configured to browse profiles anonymously, so you won't be able to see their identity. Finally, you can't see the full list or older viewers unless you upgrade to a premium account, which offers more detailed analytics and viewing history. And that's it. You now know how to check who's viewing your LinkedIn profile using a free account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.